The Leap sensor system's ability to support multiple sensors going into one transmitter node offers great flexibility and high value in a lot of monitoring applications. Our standard base sensor can support a wide variety of sensors. In a standard mode, 2 thermocouples, 4 to 20 milliamp, CAN bus vibration sensor, humidity sensor, a wide variety of a strain sensor. All those can be supported on one base Leap sensor board. In addition to that, we also have a CAN bus on our Leap sensor. So our vibration sensor here, actually we can daisy chain theoretically up to 200 of these to one transmitter node. And that becomes very high value in a lot of ways. It can simplify installation. But one of the things our clients really appreciate from our ability to support multiple sensors with one transmitter node is it lowers the cost of the system. Instead of one sensor to one transmitter, which can get really expensive, we can support a number of different sensors that you may want to monitor on a piece of equipment going to one transmitter node. Beyond the hardware, the Leap sensor system offers probably the most technically advanced data management. And let me explain that. Let's say you needed a very unique sensor for your process that has never existed before. And because of the Leap system's modularity and configurability, we develop this sensor for you and send it to you. Now, the first time you deploy it at your site, it transmits to the gateway. And the gateway is going to say, "What are you? I've never seen this type of sensor before." And the sensor is going to respond, "Well, I'm a thermocouple sensor, but I have a few unique things about me. Here's all my configuration data." And at that point, when the gateway receives that unique configuration data, that's fed to the user interface. And that user interface is updated to support that new type of sensor. And that allows the Leap sensor system to support very application-specific sensors and customized sensors for a particular process that you may need. Now, you may be on our website for the first time and saying, "Well, I just need a thermocouple sensor," or "I just need a refrigerator sensor." But these are important things to think about in the future, because there's a good chance you're going to have a great experience with your first sensor, and that system is going to expand. And when it expands, you want to be able to support and easily integrate sensors that are very customized and unique for your processes. As we've mentioned, the Leap sensor system is highly modular and can support multiple sensors on one transmitter node. A lot of our sensors that we offer and are customized are not on our website, and we would really encourage you to contact us. We have a base Leap sensor board that can support many different types of sensors, and we can offer custom and semi-custom sensors at very reasonable prices and with short lead times. So don't hesitate. If you need something unusual, contact us, give us a call, or hit the Contact Us button and let us know how we can help.